Today we're going to harvest some potatoes um, that I grow. This one is grown in a bag. Actually, this is my first time of growing potato in a bag. Actually, this is one of the soil bags. I just decided to try it out and see how it goes. Let's check because I've seen that this is almost drying out. They are drying out, so which indicates that the plant is ready to be taken out. So let's go. I guess this is one of the colored potato that I decided to try out. They should be maybe the purple one. Yeah, because I just saw the purple potato at Home Depot, so I decided to try it and uh, see how it goes. Um, yeah, I can see some. This is one. Oh, this is two. Where do I put them now? Let me set them here. Wow. There's a big one. I guess have to, I'll just have to save. Ooh, there's another big one. What? Look at this. Wow. Just from the bag. What? Look at this. Ooh. I grew these plants. These are potato without any without any chemicals. I just use the soil. You can see the soil is still healthy, and I'm just going to clean it out later to reuse it. I'll save the soil to reuse. So from that one potato, we got all this purple potato. So definitely I'm going to save some to plant for the next season. Yeah, it's worth it. It's beautiful.